Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Mohisa Iqbal. Today we shall learn the DMAS rule, the using of four operations. So students, you know that in four basic operation there are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are involved. So these operations are known as the four basic operation, and they are used in DMAS rule. So what will we do? We should be able to perform them quickly and accurately as we tackle more difficult and exciting maths problems, students. So for this we have to follow some rules when the mixed operations are used. So the rule number 1 is in front of you. When there are the two operations, it may be the plus or minus only, or multiplication and division only in the given expression, we start working from left. Keep in your mind that we will start working from left and operations are used in the sequence. So I will give you example. For example, here are expression in front of you, that 12 minus 5 plus 8. So as how can we solve that? First of all, I already told you, first we will take start from the left side, and we know that in the left side we have the operation of subtraction. So first we will subtract. What will we do? We will subtract. So when we will subtract 5 from 12, we get 7, and then we will write 8 with it, and expression is used of addition. Now we will add these two numbers and we get 15 in answer. Now it's turn of the second rule. The second rule is when there are the two operations or more than two operations, like if you have multiplication and with multiplication you have plus or minus sign, or if you have division sign with minus or plus sign, then we will use the DMAS rule. First of all, I will tell you what is a DMAS. DMAS stands for D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. Now how do we use these operations? Have a look on the example. Here is an example. Here is an expression with the mixed numbers, with the mixed expressions as well, we can say. So as I told you, first of all we have to operate the operations in the same sequence as in DMAS. It means DMAS में सबसे पहले डिवीजन आता है, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगी, फिर एडिशन आएगी और सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगी. स्टूडेंट, ये ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि डिवीजन भी आएगी और मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी आए और एडिशन भी और सब्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं. मिक्स्ड ऑपरेशंस यूज़ होते हैं. कभी कभी एडिशन नहीं होता, कभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं होता, बट हमने जो फॉलो करना है सीक्वेंस वो DMAS का होता है. सो लेट्स सी हम इस एग्जांपल को किस तरह सॉल्व करते हैं. सबसे पहले हमने देखा कि इसमें कौन कौन से ऑपरेशंस यूज़ हो रहे हैं. डिवीजन हो रही है, एडिशन यूज़ हो रहा है और सब्ट्रैक्शन यूज़ हो रही है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व द ऑपरेशन ऑफ डिवीजन. As I know, like 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 3, तो हम 24 को 3 पे डिवाइड करेंगे, और जब हमने इसको डिवाइड किया तो वी गेट 8. So we will write 8 instead of this operation. Then we will add the numbers. 85 plus 8 we get 93, and then we will subtract 11 from 93 and we get answer 82. This is how we can solve any problem of DMAS by using the DMAS rule, students. Now it's time of home task. So you have to solve the following sums that are in front of you, and you have to solve these sums by using the DMAS rules, and then you have to send me the picture of your homework at my email ID, that is miaayan42@gmail.com. Have a nice day.